Alright, hi, my name's Aurora, and last time I did a video, like, with birthing and ordeal and all that, I was with a friend, but you know what, today, I'm doing it single. Ready? Instead of Dr. Pepper, I decided I'm going to choose Pepsi. It's going to be a lot of fun.
You can never say never. Wow, we don't know. Younger now than we were before.
Good music, right? Oh, that was pretty attractive. Still got plenty more to go. Alright, here we go.
You're the queen of everything, far as the eye can see.
Oh gosh.
Under your command,
Okay, here's one.
be your guardian.
Oh yeah, that was a pretty decent one. I think I might have enough for one more. You know, I feel so lonely doing this by myself, but maybe the next time I'll have a friend with me. Okay. While this builds up, I figured I'd talk to y'all and be like, yeah, whatever. Okay, never mind. I guess I won't talk to y'all because that's all I got. Y'all have a nice day. Comment, do whatever.